So, what does ChatGPT and a girlfriend have in common? Sounds like the beginning of a stupid joke, but just hear me out for a second. I promise it's worth it. First, both have a lot of transformation going on. A girlfriend probably transforms using makeup or and her mood changes for reasons you can't understand. The ChatGPT, there's a lot of transformation between words that you can understand and numbers that the computer crunches. So that's the first thing they have in common. The other thing they have in common is attention is all you need. You probably know about how your girlfriend needs attention. So let's talk about how ChatGPT needs attention to make it work. It all begins from this paper. Attention is all you need. Now you get the jokes we didn't already. Anyway, this paper was published in 2016, and the contents of this paper are how you are able to create advanced chatbots like ChatGPT. So, let me give you a brief overview of how it works. First, to process words in a computer, you must turn them into numbers which the computer can understand. This is done through a process known as tokenization. Second, you need to take into account the meaning of words. A computer does this by mapping words to a vector space. Words that are closely related, say fruits, are found close to each other in the vector space. And related words, say fruits and vehicles, are far away from each other in the vector space. Neutral words, for example, conjunctions like and, are somewhere in the middle. This process is known as embedding. Najua labda nishaanza kupoteza, lakini nitegea kiasi. I'll skip the third process called positional encoding and go straight to the fourth step, attention. Now, at this point, the computer understands words and how they're related, but it still needs one more thing, and that is to understand the context of these words. Essentially, the computer needs to not only understand the meaning of words individually, but also what they mean in a sentence. And that is what attention is all about. The mathematics of attention makes computers capable of understanding and generating natural language. It's magical, but of course, this is an oversimplification of how it all works. If you want to learn more, check out this YouTube channel called Serranno Academy, and you'll have a better understanding if an Indian teacher explains it to you. But one thing is for sure, this man is easier to understand than your girlfriend. I hope you're curious enough. The future is electric. Thanks for watching. Peace.